meeting and greeting a customer. From the work in progress screen, go up to the positive symbol and click on that or tap. You can search by 4 different ways: customer name or phone, license or event. I prefer to using the license because it's easy to see. Type in the license that you see on the vehicle, and this one's easy, and tap the magnifying glass on the lower right, and there it is. It's Joe Cool's vehicle, and indeed, Joe's in a Hyundai Elantra. So if I tap on the vehicle to choose it, now I can go down and tap on Start Order and begin writing them up. We drive you right to the mileage first because that's very important for recommendations and other things that Bolton does for you. We want to be sure that the service writer gets assigned at this time too. All right, so next, what else do we have going on here? Well, this is what's important. All the recommendations from previous visits are right here, right now, so you can show and sell them to the customer by the car. And another thing is, eliminate having to make repairs on damage that's not your responsibility. Using speech to text, tap here and carefully speak what you need to say and leave a note right on here so that everyone's aware of the damage on the vehicle when it arrived. Next, be aware that once that's there, it will be back in a repair. If you need to, you can manually enter the VIN number or the license plate, and you have the ability also to go to the upper right hand side here and manually decode those items if need be. You can also photograph the license plate to decode it too. If the customer asks about something in the past, you have the full history available, and as you can see upper right hand side, it's fully searchable. If the customer's information needs to be fixed, you have the ability to go to the customer screen and fix it, and it'll go back in the management system. Adding an inspection is very easy, but also note that all the previous inspections are right there for you to look at if need be and compare. We're adding a fault check, and because we have no tech assigned, we need to assign a technician. And then we're going to go back. And we're going to start adding jobs under the Order tab. And the way we do that is we're going to go to the labor, and we're going to tap on that. And we're going to put in search terms. You don't have to spell the whole word, and over time you'll know what you can get away with. But here we're looking for an alignment, so we're going to tap on the alignment and add that. And again, back to the positive symbol and labor. And now we're going to search for the inspection. And in this case, we have 2 inspections going. We're going to have the courtesy inspection, and then we're going to have the state inspection that we're going to do also. So following the suit of hitting the positive symbol, putting in the word that you need, and choosing what you wish is the way to go. And this is the way you're going to build the ticket. Now, assign the technician, and if the technician's not doing any of the work on here, deselect that job. Hit OK. Next step, once we have all the information in place, because we're out with the customer, let's get them to sign our tablet. So go up here, capture signature, and have the customer sign right on the tablet here. And if it's good, tap on that disk to save it. If not, close out and come back in and have them sign again. And what's good about this is that if you open up Report Pro and you open up the document you just created, you're going to see the signature is right on there right now. And you can text that directly to the customer, or remember, from the tablet you have the ability to print. And not only would it be the work order to print, but you can do a loop sticker, key tag, or even a tech worksheet. And a nice thing about printing here is that it's sitting on the printer when you go into the shop. Last thing to do here, let's let the technician know that the vehicle is ready to be worked on. Let's choose them from the private chat, put in the message that we want to send, and tap on the arrow on the upper right hand side to send that message letting the tech know we have a job.